Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along as I set up the monthly pages in my planner. This is the monthly spread in the Jibun Techo A5 Biz Diary. I am going to be using a mix of Cocoa Daisy kits from the Let's Go collection. I subscribe to the Daisy Weeks calendar stickers. I also subscribe to the creative kit that used to be the planner add-on. And then this month I also grabbed the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. So to kind of fill in the gaps for the things that they've phased out of the planner add-on kit. So today I'm just setting up my planner. I'm not really doing a plan with me style where I'm writing a lot of stuff down and organizing my time. Mainly, it's just going through the steps of setting up my planner the way that I like it. And I start my monthly with laying down washi on my sidebar as a home for this monthly banner. The June kit always seems to be travel themed in some way or another, and this one is like diner road trip, kind of 1950s, like that nostalgia records, milkshakes type of kit. So it's really fun and a really good summery vibe. Some months I use the thin washi that comes in the creative kit to back my days of the week up there, but this month it was translucent and didn't really cover, so there wasn't really a point laying it down. And so I'm trimming the standard size washi to fit in that space as well. And then I'm going to put down my days of the week stickers that come from the Daisy Weeks calendar sticker set. These Daisy Weeks kits are sized to fit into a Hobonichi Weeks sized planner. So that's a little bit more narrow than my space available. So that's why I use the washi in the background, and then I just trim them so that they are centered in the boxes up there as the headers. So that's kind of the main frame of my planner. Next, I move to putting down some boxes, which we should see here in a minute. I recorded this right after I had done the unboxing video and ended up making two separate videos just for time length. So I had saw the changes that I knew were coming and then was blindsided by a couple other changes. And one of them is going to be reworking my little tabs here. I normally use the Tile Alpha. They swapped the Tile Alpha for this new Alpha. So we shall see what happens. I am doing my best to work through all the changes. I don't always do my best dealing with things that I feel are unnecessary changes, but we're moving on. We're working through it. I'm adding some of these decorative boxes to cover up the open space for days from the previous month, and then I'm going to add in a sticker for 4-H camp. My kids are doing 4-H this year, so we have a lot of stuff coming up, including a multi-day camp. Thankfully, it's just a day camp, so we go, we hang out, we come back, and then we may or may not have a small stock show. So lots of things coming up for us. I also added in the decorative kind of boxes for the first day of summer and Father's Day. This is where the Daisy Weeks sticker kit comes in, I am using that to replace the circle date stickers that are no longer in the creative kit. The week sticker kit comes with a vellum sheet that has all the numbers that you lay on top of the date covers. I am used to doing this because I used to do it in my Get to Work book. And so I just powered through it. It didn't take too long, but to make them fit into the space that I have, I am trimming the top part out. So it's just the little banner with the number. It fits really well and I like the overall look of that. So we are going to try the week's kit for right now and see how that works, and see I might switch my subs so that I get this week's sticker kit instead of the creative kit. We will see. But that's what I'm doing for this section. And then I'm going to actually use the remaining days of the week part for my weekly spreads here in a little bit. Well, not in this video. You'll see that in another video, but I think that I'm going to like that setup a lot. Next up in kind of my setup is putting in paydays. My job is within our public school district, so we're back down to 2 paydays. I'm going to add in a couple other stickers. What did I add in here? Oh, we're adding in birthdays, anniversaries, all of the good stuff. Another thing that they pulled from the planner add-on kit was the icons that they normally use. But so I have these ones from the week's stickers, and I'm ultimately wondering if I can just make the 2 Daisy Weeks sticker kits work for me. And then that way I can phase out the add-on kit or the creative kit and not have a ton of extra supplies hanging out. I don't really have the space for it, and sometimes I get burnt out if I'm using all of the same products across both my planner and my more creative projects like art journaling and scrapbooking and memory keeping. So if I could make the switch, then I probably will, but I'm going to give myself June and July to kind of work with it and see how I feel about it when it comes time to get my September kits or maybe my August kits. I can't remember. Cocoa Daisy's also changing how they are releasing their kits and their timelines. So a lot of changes that I'm working with and a lot of decisions that need to be made regarding planner stuff. So all of that to say, here's what my monthly is going to look like. I am going to use my washi flag like I have been doing. I am going to use a tile sticker from an alpha in my stash from last June, and this is what we're looking like. Thank you for hanging out with me as I process all of this and work through my grievances and watching me put this together. I hope you're inspired, and hit like and or subscribe. Leave any comments in the comment section. I have some still photos with pin at the end of this. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.